So, RFN, 7 years old, above,
RFN,
final,
to the war.
here at Asuncion, Davao del Norte. Ala, ang isa!
Kaya sebagai galang Abacus Space sa electric boy na sa ikatawag ipakitaan sa niya bila sa naguna. Alright, pagkaman yes,
Spencerga.
Freya, Yuzu, Leo. If you can see, this is Bakbaka, Butch, and Kakos.
Kakos versus Pinserga. Battle for first.
We have Sofia Pensaga, Asher Balaton, Asuncion, Davao del Norte. Alio from Santa Tomas.
Kakos versus Pinserga.
Davao City. This is our final heat for RFN 7 years old. Condor. Kakos versus Bush.
Inside.
Here we go. Let's go. Juju,
Ay.
Asher, Sophia, Chloe, Alio, and Jerry Torado. We have here Dalton. Nasa to? Nawala na si Carlos.
Kakos down the lead.
Followed by Bush. Third spot, Jerry Torado.
Torado on
This is
third.
RFN Philippines. Electric dirt bike. Wala ni gasolina, ladies and gentlemen. Wala yung oil. It's pure electric. Powered by
White
battery.
flag, Kakos.
We have our branches sa gusto mabalik.
White flag.
Nasa sa Tagum City.
Second, Pinserga.
O, bisita lang natin sa RFN dito sa may likod ha. Makita si Bosgan.
Last lap.
Last lap na tayo, ladies and gentlemen.
Ladies.
Yani Kabibo ang electric dirt bike, ladies and gentlemen. If you want a happy weekend, kanang mag-bonding ang pamilya, palita, electric dirt bike, join dahil ka sa mga races. RFN Spartan Advocacy is putting our kids
Kakos champion!
champion! Kakos Coin! Followed by Bush!
Checkered.
So for the information of everybody, last year Kakos was our first RFN champion here at the first Mayo Cherry Motocross. Defending the title. Show us some really...
Third. Aliaga ni third cup.
Really, balik ka.